Hi Jess, it's Mum. I'm going to pick you up from school today if that's alright. I'll see you later. Bye.
Hey gorgeous, it's me. Fancy calling back anytime soon?
Hey Jess, it's Amy. We're all waiting for you. Where are you?
Jessica, it's your father.
Jess, it's Mum. You didn't respond to my text. Are you alright?
Hey, Christina just called me saying you're missing. What's up? Call me back as soon as you can.
Hi Jess, it's Christina. Just wondering if we're still up for tonight. Okay, bye.
Jess, I'm really worried. I haven't heard from you in hours. Can you please respond to the text? I haven't seen you on Facebook either. Jess, I'm really worried now. Jess, please pick up.